I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need prerequisites in place: an account, app, or skill installed, and permissions granted for microphone and location. First, open the Panda app and sign in. Once done, choose your wake word and primary language so recognition is accurate. Next, grant notifications and microphone access, then place your device 3 to 6 feet from where you speak to avoid clipping. Finally, run the built-in mic test and speak a few short phrases so Panda adapts to your voice profile. Once initial setup is ready, configure Panda's behavior. Choose a voice, set default apps, and create shortcuts for frequent tasks so you save time. Then train the assistant by recording 5 to 10 sample phrases for complex commands. This improves accuracy when context is required. Make sure to map routines to concise phrases and test them. Also set privacy preferences. Decide if transcripts sync to the cloud and how long device data is retained to balance convenience versus data exposure. Start using Panda with clear, natural sentences and include context words like later or next to reduce follow-up prompts. Make a habit of verbally confirming important actions. Enable spoken confirmations for purchases or system changes to prevent mistakes. Once routines behave reliably, finalize by backing up settings to your account. If something goes wrong, restart the app, retrain the problematic phrases, and verify microphone and network permissions. Most recognition errors come from missing permissions or weak network connectivity, so fix those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.